Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best NEET coaching in your city Chandigarh? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I will be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city Chandigarh. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy ranks number 1 in top coaching provider for NEET medical entrance examinations preparation. Toppers Academy is one of the leading academy for NEET preparation in India. With the faculty of online lectures, expertise skills and top faculty management, the Toppers Academy has set a milestone and has helped the aspirants to reach great heights. Okay, now let us talk about the features of Toppers Academy. The very first is updated study material. Number 2, interactive live classes. Next in the list is educational psychologist. Number 4 is recorded video lectures. Then they have free booklets. Next is doubt clearing classes, test series, and finally they provide you with the class notes. Okay, you can connect to the Toppers Academy on this number, that is 07827 048964, and the email ID of the institute is info@toppersacademy.app. At rank 2, we have the Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone arranges demos of the preferred coachings by the students. Their investment is precious to you as well as to them. You will be assigned with a mentor for the whole year who will guide you the approach towards examination. Also, in choosing right study material, evaluation of test series, or any other doubt you want to discuss, you can do that freely. They will assure you to take the right path and help you in reaching your goal. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. Many students are in mere confusion about where to invest, which will be the best academies for them, where they will get the exact quality of education they are looking for. So, the Hindu Zone provides completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone listen to the requirements of the students, their area of concerns, and then the expert mentors advise them the top institutes according to their need. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Akash Institute. As you all know, Akash Institute, an established institute in 1988 for NEET, AIIMS entrance exam domains, Akash Institute has all the right study materials, faculty, guidance with a huge staff that are required to outshine and also to pass the examination with ease. Also, Akash has aced itself in giving the best results. Aspirants are now preparing for the NEET exam in full throttle because of Akash coaching. Achievements of Akash Coaching Institute are humongous. Okay, now let us talk about the details. The address of this institute is Ground SCO 367 and 368, Sector 34A, Chandigarh 160023. Their contact number includes 08800013079 and the batch size includes 50 to 100 students in a batch. The website of the institute is www.akash.ac.in/chandigarh city/NEET-UG coaching. Okay, now let's talk about the features of the institute, that is highly qualified teaching faculty, consistent performance, number 3 is phenomenal experience, and the last one is extensive study material. Okay friends, moving towards our rank 4 institute, we have VMC, that is Vidya Mandir classes. As its name suggests, a temple of knowledge. If you want to achieve success in NEET examinations and other institutional examinations, the faculty is well qualified and even have immense knowledge of their subjects. This academy offers tremendous coaching for the medical preparations. Vidya Mandir God is placed at number 4th in the best NEET coachings in Chandigarh. Okay, Vidya Mandir classes is one of the best medical coaching classes in Chandigarh. Both the students and parents have lots of trust in the institute since it has been the hub for millions of medical students. Now let us talk about the contact details. The address of this institute is 291718 top floor Dakshin Marg, Sub City Center, Sector 22C, Chandigarh 160022. Their contact numbers are 08588369777 and 93568195115. Alright friends, the batches of the institute includes 20 to 25 students in the batch. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is Dr. Khera's Medical Coaching in Chandigarh. Dr. Khera's Chandigarh Coaching Center is the leading educational platform for your competitive examination and a team of professional motivators and teachers. This academy is built to impart quality coaching sessions for your competing world. Dr. Khera's coaching center is fully devoted to their students and help them while providing each necessary facility relating to their training session. Moreover, it has been nearly 3 decades since the institute was started. Just check out the courses offered in Dr. Khera's Chandigarh Coaching Center. The institute seems to be a better choice for pursuing a medical exam coaching in Chandigarh and is ranked therefore number 5th in the list of best NEET coaching centers. Okay. The address of this institute includes SCO 240910, Himalaya Mark 22C, Sector 22, Chandigarh 160022. Their contact number is 017246104661. Alright, the fee structure of the institute includes a sum of rupees 1,35,000 for 1 year and the batch size is 35 students in a batch. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city, Chandigarh. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.